Gentlemen, what if I told you there is one small overlooked spot on your body that, when massaged with castor oil, can help restore firmer, stronger erections? No pills, no risky procedures, no expensive treatments. Just a natural method you can try at home with your own hands starting tonight. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Prime Men's Health, and share it with a friend who may also be quietly struggling with the same challenges. Every week, we bring you evidence-based guidance designed to help men over 50 protect their vitality, confidence, and long-term health. I'm Dr. Danielle Jones. For more than 3 decades, I've worked with men navigating the physical and emotional challenges of aging, from declining testosterone to changes in circulation and performance. And here's what I've learned: many men think weaker erections are just a natural part of getting older. But in truth, circulation, nerve response, and muscle strength play a bigger role than age itself. The good news: you can support all three with a simple technique using castor oil and targeted massage. Castor oil has been trusted for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern science is beginning to confirm what ancient healers already knew. This oil has the power to penetrate deeper layers of tissue, relax tight muscles, and improve blood flow where men need it most. In this session, I'll show you how this technique works, why it matters, and how you can begin applying it safely at home. Let's start by exploring the science behind castor oil and why it's such a powerful ally for men's circulation and sexual health. Let's begin with the oil itself, castor oil. This isn't some new discovery. It has been used for thousands of years in cultures from ancient Egypt to India for healing, cleansing, and restoring the body. What makes it unique is its ability to go deeper than most other oils. Unlike lighter oils that stay on the skin's surface, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a natural compound with strong anti-inflammatory and circulation-boosting properties. Its molecules are small enough to penetrate into the deeper tissue layers, reaching muscles, tiny blood vessels, and nerve endings just beneath the skin. That's why, when massaged into the right spot, it creates a gentle warmth that signals your body to release tension and improve blood flow. Think of your blood vessels like a garden hose. Over time, stiffness or inflammation can make it harder for blood to move freely, just like a frozen hose struggles to carry water. Castor oil helps warm up and soften those vessels, allowing blood to circulate again with ease. And for men, that circulation is essential. Erections are at their core, a coordinated dance of blood flow and nerve response. If blood can't reach the chambers of the penis quickly and fully, firmness fades. But circulation isn't the only issue. Many men over 50 also have low-grade inflammation in the pelvic area from years of sitting, poor blood flow, or even prostate changes. This silent inflammation narrows vessels and irritates tissues, making arousal more difficult. Castor oil helps calm that inflammation at its source, soothing the tissues and restoring flexibility. And here's what makes it even more powerful. Consistent use doesn't just bring temporary relief. Over time, repetition conditions your body to respond more naturally. Blood vessels become healthier, nerves calmer, and muscles more relaxed. Patients often describe not only physical warmth, but also a renewed confidence, like their body is finally working with them instead of against them. So how does this connect to your erections? By stimulating circulation, calming inflammation, and relaxing key muscles, castor oil sets the stage for firmer, more reliable performance. But the real secret lies in where you apply it, one small, overlooked spot that acts as a control center for male sexual health. Let's take a closer look at that area now. The next key to understand isn't just the oil, it's where you apply it. And here's where many men go wrong. They focus only on the penis itself, assuming that's where all the action happens. But in reality, one of the most powerful control centers for your erections lies just behind it, in a place most men overlook: the perineum. The perineum is the soft area between the base of your scrotum and your anus. On the surface, it may not seem important, but beneath that thin layer of skin runs a network of muscles, blood vessels, and nerves that directly shape your performance. Think of it as a hidden command hub for your sexual health. First, the pelvic floor muscles. They act like a supportive hammock wrapping around your prostate and the base of your penis. These muscles control firmness, ejaculation, strength, and even bladder control. When they're neglected, they weaken. When stimulated, they grow stronger, supporting better erections and more reliable performance. Second, the blood vessels. These delicate pathways carry fresh, oxygen-rich blood straight into the penis. Over the years, sitting too long, poor circulation or inflammation can restrict them. When you massage castor oil into the perineum, you're essentially opening those pathways, helping blood flow where it matters most. And third, the pudendal nerve. This nerve is like the electrical wire carrying arousal signals from your brain to your body. If it's sluggish, signals are weak and response is poor. If it's stimulated, the whole system wakes up. Massaging the perineum activates this nerve, strengthening the connection between your mind and your body. Here's the common mistake: many men never give attention to this area at all. They dismiss it as unimportant or even feel embarrassed. But by ignoring it, they miss one of the simplest ways to restore firmness and control. When you apply castor oil here, you're not just soothing the skin, you're activating muscles, vessels, and nerves all at once. Think of it like pressing a hidden reset button. Instead of forcing your body with pills or quick fixes, you're teaching it to respond naturally again. And with practice, this stimulation doesn't just feel good in the moment, it helps retrain your body for lasting improvements. Now that you know why the perineum matters, let's walk through exactly how to do this routine safely and effectively at home. Now that you understand why the perineum is so important, let's go step by step through the massage routine itself. Done correctly, this practice is safe, simple, and can become a powerful nightly ritual for restoring firmness and confidence. Step 1. Set the scene. Choose a calm, private space where you feel comfortable. Many men find that after a warm shower works best because heat relaxes the muscles and helps castor oil penetrate more deeply. Step 2. Prepare the oil. Pour a small amount, just enough to coat your fingertips into your palm. Rub your hands together for a few seconds so the oil warms naturally. This makes it more soothing and helps absorption. Step 3. Find the spot. The perineum is that soft area between the base of your scrotum and your anus. Sit or lie back in a relaxed position with your legs slightly apart. Comfort is key because when your body feels safe, the benefits are stronger. Step 4. Begin gently. Place your fingertips on the perineum and start with slow circular motions. Keep the pressure light and steady at first, enough to make contact, but not forceful. Think of it like loosening a knot in a rope that's been pulled tight for years. Step 5. Deepen gradually. After a few minutes, increase pressure slightly using your thumb or the base of your hand. Continue with slow circles or gentle up and down strokes. Allow 5 to 7 minutes for the oil to fully absorb and for your body to relax into the sensation. Many men describe warmth, tingling, or a pulsing feeling, all signs that circulation is opening and nerves are calming. Step 6. Be consistent. Like any form of training, repetition builds results. Practicing this routine several times a week helps condition your muscles, nerves, and vessels to respond more naturally over time. Think of this massage not as a quick trick, but as a long-term investment. Each session trains your body to restore flow, calm tension, and rebuild control. Men often notice small changes after just 2 weeks: firmer morning erections, a sense of warmth in the pelvic region, or greater steadiness during intimacy. With time, these small shifts add up to lasting transformation. But while castor oil massage is powerful on its own, it works best when combined with supportive daily habits that keep blood moving and your pelvic region healthy. Let's wrap up with a summary and a few bonus tips to maximize your results. We've covered a lot today, so let's bring it all together. Erections are not simply about desire, they are the result of a finely tuned system involving muscles, nerves, and circulation. As men age, these systems can grow sluggish, leaving you feeling frustrated or even embarrassed. But the good news is this: with something as simple as castor oil and the right massage technique, you can actively retrain your body to respond with more strength and reliability. By applying castor oil to the perineum, you're doing more than soothing the skin. You're relaxing tight pelvic muscles, opening blood vessels, and stimulating nerves that directly influence firmness. Over time, this practice conditions your body, helping restore natural responses that may have faded slowly over the years. And when you add supportive habits like staying hydrated, stretching your hips and lower back, and breaking up long hours of sitting, you create the perfect environment for stronger, healthier performance. Here's the positive takeaway: decline is not destiny. Your best years aren't behind you. With consistent, simple steps, you can rebuild circulation, reawaken nerve response, and regain the confidence you thought was gone. Small actions done daily have the power to restore not only your erections, but also your sense of vitality and freedom as a man. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Dr. Danielle Jones, and it's my privilege to guide you toward evidence-based, natural ways of protecting your health. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to Prime Men's Health, and share it with someone who might benefit. Remember, every step you take toward caring for your body is a step toward strength, confidence, and a better quality of life.